Hey guys, want to do a quick video on my layout. I did a trade last night, posted it in my channel at 6:20 p.m., showing where my entry was and where my stop loss was. Correction, it was triggered in at 13194, so we're going to go ahead and go to the chart, and here we are. And 13194 is here. There's some stuff over here that I teach in my mentorship, all right, about what I liked about this area, but without getting into that further detail, if we didn't have that level, then we would have been able to use this volatility forecaster as well. Just drawing a line here and being able to see what we have after a beautiful TP signal. What I saw was a very big push, and I saw the strength dying down, so that helped me stay in the trade. And then once this turned pink, or pull this up here, that lets me know that even though the candle color is still green, the current bulls are tired. And then when this line turned red, I felt really good. And then, of course, in the higher time frame picked up and turned red. And I just sat in this trade the entire night, and I let it run while I was sleeping because of how I have my risk management brackets set up. The runners were paid for already. Runners were already paid for. So one of the great things about this setup is that these histogram bars are actually the coloring of the current time frame that you're on. So this is a 1 minute chart. So this is helping you a trend on the 1 minute time frame. So as long as they're red, then the trend is bearish. If it goes to pink, that means the bears are tired. And then when it goes back to red, that confirms that they have taken their break. Hopefully they're not smokers. Maybe they're on a smoke break or whatnot, and then they're back in action when it turns red and continuation happens. We get a TP sign here saying price should probably go up, especially in a ranging market. These really hit really good if the market's ranging. And you can see that this entire area we just consolidated. So every single TP sign was just spot on. Especially you got to love this one because it's going with the trend. So this one has a TP sign. Market comes up. It shows the bears are tired once more. And they've done a lot of work on the market. So it makes sense why they're tired. Turns red again, matches the higher time frame candle coloring, and down we go. Whenever a TP sign fails like this, that's a signal within itself showing trend continuation. Then we finally have a nice TP sign again, and we have resistance and a nice move down. All right. Then finally, the bulls show some type of sign of life. So from 3:40 in the morning, from 7 p.m. Eastern Standard all the way to 3:40 in the morning, the bears had complete control. Higher time frame finally turns green, saying the bulls are taking over. Trend goes from red to pink, saying that the bears are tired. And this time, instead of it going back to red, goes to green, showing that the bulls are indeed taking over. And now everything lines up green. We are above the orange line. And we go up to our expensive box here. And then we start to consolidate again. TP sign lights up. We go from green to pink, meaning that the bulls are tired. Then to red, meaning that the bears are taking over. Price, you see how this is almost extremely similar to my entry at 6 p.m.-ish, right? Very similar setup. Red turns red here, everything's red, and then down we go. This move was ferocious. It even went past our forecasted low of this area. Finally, VWAP area here, that's what this is colored with, is the algo VWAP. Turns green. So now we're saying that there's a high probability we're going to go higher. The coloring goes from red to pink, meaning that the bears are tired. And we hold the line, and up we go to where now the higher time frame is catching up. So that is the combination of TWA algo used for the TP signals, the TWA higher time frame candle coloring, the TWA volatility forecaster, and the TWA strength and direction oscillator. Really great trading day. Amazing winning day for a lot of people, I'm sure. I hope everybody crushed it. If you have any questions about this setup, just reach out. But I'm definitely pumped to start off the week that I'm starting. It's always nice to wake up to some, covered runners, paid for runners, however you want to say it, winning 100 points for you. So, all right, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.